no ordinary takeoff. This is the rise of a ghost in the scale. Meet the X-47B, America's autonomous stealth strike fighter. Unleashed, no pilot, no mercy, just precision. And today, it breaks the silence of the runway with power that changes the rules of modern warfare. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the X-47B isn't just a drone. It's the future of autonomous warfare. Designed to operate from U.S. Navy aircraft carriers, this next-gen UAV blends stealth, AL, and unmanned strike power, making it a true game-changer in contested skies. Watch closely. As it revs up on the runway, the quiet hum grows into a thunderous roar. No cockpit, no pilot, just a brain of code and a mission, programmed for precision. Its takeoff is fully autonomous, calculated to the millimeter. Equipped with internal weapons bays, the X-47B can deliver precision strikes without ever being seen. It slips past radar. It flies in formation with manned jets. It even lands on carriers, all by itself. This is not sci-fi. This is now. With its range of over 2,000 nautical miles, the X-47B can strike deep into enemy territory without risking a single American life. And with AL-powered flight systems, it adapts mid-mission to threats in real time. The X-47B is more than a drone. It's a warning, a sign that the battlefield of tomorrow is already in the sky. And it's not waiting for anyone. Are you ready for a war without pilots? Because the X-47B already is. Want more stealth tech and next-gen firepower? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Supersonic News, where the future of air dominance unfolds.